Welcome to Astounding Bounds TV. I am Dr. Elaine Cannon, and today we're diving into a topic that hits hard and deep. How do we teach our children about their civil rights when those very rights are being rolled back before our eyes? Just this week, a major shift happened. Signed Executive Order 14173, effectively dismantling key parts of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. One of the biggest changes was the removal of the disparate impact standard, which had long allowed civil rights advocates to challenge policies that cause discrimination without proving intent. Additionally, the executive order eliminated requirements for federal contractors to promote diversity and equal opportunities in hiring. This is not just a political change, this affects real people in real ways, especially our children. Whether it's schools, sports, housing, or future job opportunities, our children now face environments with fewer protections and less accountabilities. So what does this mean for your family? It means that now more than ever, parents must step into the role of primary civil rights educators. The law may have changed, but your voice at home remains powerful. Teach your children about justice, about history, and about the strength of speaking up. Let them know that being informed, aware, and courageous is their greatest superpower in today's world. Proverbs 31:8-9 says, "Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the rights of all who are destitute. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the poor and needy." This charge doesn't just belong to lawyers or leaders, it belongs to every parent raising a voice for what is right. Here are 5 ways you can teach your children about civil rights right from your home. First, the story. Share the journeys of heroes like Fannie Lou Hamer, John Lewis, and even stories from your own family. Let your children hear what resilience looked like. Second, use books and films to open their eyes to the past and present. Watch Selma, read Let the Children March, and discuss what these stories mean today. Third, model advocacy. Show them how to write letters to representatives, attend community meetings, or peacefully protest when needed. Fourth, teach assertiveness. Help them develop the courage to speak up when treated unfairly and to stand confidently in their identity. Fifth, keep the faith. Remind your children that justice is not a passing trend, it's a deep value that with God's help will always rise again. Galatians 6:9 reminds us, "Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." The Bible gives us wisdom in time like these. Micah 6:8 declares, "What does the Lord require of you? To do justice, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God." Even when laws fail, God never fails. Justice begins at home with the values we teach and the way we raise our children to love themselves and others. So parents, remember this. You are now the new civil rights leaders. Your home is the training ground for justice. Your dinner table is the podium. Your prayers are the protest. Laws may change, but your influence cannot be reversed. Thank you for tuning in to Astounding Bounds TV. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are here to help you raise children who are strong, wise, and righteous. Until next time, walk boldly, speak truth, and never stop believing in the power of your voice.